Hi guys, welcome to the session on data science. So data science is a very booming sector nowadays because of the abundance of data available online. So what happens in data science? What's the basic of it, right? We take a large amount of data. We take hundreds and thousands of rows of data. We analyze it using algorithms, using softwares. We will analyze it, and after analyzing it, we will be pushing it through a funnel and trying to get business intelligence or actionable result from it. Okay, that's basically what we do with data science. What do we do with the Avodha course, right? What happens at the Avodha course for data science? The first step at Avodha's course is we teach you guys how to do scraping. So scraping means that's the first step of data science, right? Because if you want to process data, you need data, right? In data science, you learn how to process data. So if you want to process data, you guys need data. You need a lot of data. So what we teach in scraping is we teach you guys to go online, use automated algorithms using Python and Beautiful Soap, or using Octopars or some kind of an open source software, free software, and we teach you guys how to use this particular software to extract data in bulk from online resources, from websites, Google, wherever it is. After extracting all of this data, we then teach you guys, we then train you guys on how to use this particular data and push it through processing, machine learning and machine learning processing softwares like GCP. In GCP, we have ML, machine learning. Auto ML tables is the feature that we teach. And in Azure, we use Hadoop to try to process the data and get actionable business intelligence from it. You look at insurance companies like LIC, insurance companies abroad. Insurance companies have started using data science to try and understand if a particular person is a good, what should be the premium for a particular person. If he or she is a accident risk, if he or she is a risky kind of investment, right? For an insurance company, we are investment. No? When we give them the premium, they are hoping that nothing will happen to us, right? They are hoping when we give them 1 lakh rupees to an insurance company, they are hoping that nothing happens to us. And we are hoping that if something happens to us, they'll give us money. So for them and for us, the better thing is that nothing happens to us. Now that is being made into a scientific approach through data science by analyzing a person's past, genetic disease, any kind of possible genetic diseases, exactly how many times they've had an accident, whether they're a smoker or not, how much they eat, what is their weight, using this data to try to calculate the insurance premium. This is a very interesting aspect of data science. Another interesting aspect of data science is to try and figure out the price of used cars, right? What is the correct price of a used car, right? The correct price of a used car is something that we can't really understand, right? We don't know what is the correct price. We look at average data, the overall average data, and we see, let's say it's a Hyundai i20, 3-year-old, so and so problems with the engine, there's a price. We can analyze similar cars available in other online platforms, take that amount of what each car is costing in each online platform, take that amount and process it, and then come up with the actionable intelligence on that, and then use that to try and figure out how much my car should cost. The reason I give this example is because there are companies and startups that have recruited from Avodha that use these very examples, that use these very methods, that use these things practically to try to figure out what is the price of a car, to try to figure out what is the price of your car. So if you are going on that platform and putting your car, they will suggest an amount to you based on this bulk data. So this is data science. Data science applications, I've just given you 2 examples. One in finance, one in automobile. Cars, I can give examples from every place. Look at Netflix, look at YouTube. Why is YouTube interesting? YouTube studies what you guys want. YouTube studies what you guys love, and they study that, and based on that study, YouTube will keep giving you suggestions and recommendations. Look at Netflix, same logic. Hotstar, same. Amazon Prime, same. Facebook also uses data science to try and figure out what will engage you and show you that again and again. So data science is something that is becoming extremely popular across the corporate world because it brings real revenue, it brings real improvement to the corporate side, it brings real improvement, real revenue and real revenue growth. So that is why data science is becoming tremendously popular. Okay, so I really hope that you guys have understood what the data science industry can do. In terms of salary package, the data science course, it gives some of the highest salary packages in the industry. The problem is that the course is kind of difficult. It's not very easy. So it's not like you guys can have an easy course and have a big salary also. So the salary package is very big for data science, but the problem is that the course is very difficult. It's not very easy. But the good news is at Avodha, if you think that the data science course is difficult, you can always switch from data science to any other course that you want according to your caliber, according to your interest. You can always do that, right? So the course is actually quite difficult, but still the salary package once you guys get a placement is quite high. The format is the same: 3 months of rigorous online training followed by 3 months of internship, after which we will move into the placement assistance funnel. So I hope you guys really understood what the data science industry is through this small presentation. I will see you guys for the presentation of the next course. Thank you.